Let's celebrate Navratri with this beautiful superfood millet lapsi that is so nutritious and aromatic. We will start by roasting the millet in ghee until they change color to get that classic flavor. Then we will wash and soak them for 4 to 6 hours to make them easier to digest and maximize the health benefits. Now we will melt some jaggery with water and keep it aside. Add your soaked millet to a pan with ghee and cover it with water. Let them cook until they are 90% cooked and then add in your melted jaggery water to it. Cook covered until done. And now it's time to fold in your ghee, saffron, cardamom, all your chopped nuts of your choice. And your millet lapsi is ready to be served as a prasad this Navratri season. It has a classic rich flavor, but with so much added nutrition, it's truly the best. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.
जय जय हे मधुसूदन